Hi, this is Mohammed, and in this part of the assignment, I'll be speaking about the tools that I've used in Visual Studio to create this timer or stopwatch. So, the first and most important tool that I've used was the buttons. And of course, the buttons are really important because they're the ones that control the timer. So, I have four buttons on the timer, which is the start, stop, reset, and exit. So, as you know, as the name suggests, it's kind of like um well, basically these buttons are used like they're kind of affected by user interaction. So without the user doing something about it, the timer wouldn't really do anything. So pretty much you got the start button, which starts the time watch, stop button, which stops it, and reset, where it kind of puts it back to zero, and then exit, which terminates the app. So pretty much this kind of this tool was used to react to user interactions and respond accordingly. Well, basically you can call it the event handler. And second tool I've used, right, so yeah, the second tool was the labels. So labeling the stopwatch was very important as well because it kind of gives the idea of what is going on. So pretty much I got the hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. So when the user starts the timer, interacts with the program, it starts counting the milliseconds, and once it reaches the amount of milliseconds needed to reach a second, the seconds goes up by one, and then it carries on until the seconds have enough minutes to make, like enough seconds to make a minute, and then the same thing goes to an hour. So pretty much it is dependent on the user's interaction, and also at the same time it's really important because it's directly linked to the buttons. So without the buttons, it would not work. And also, if I press stop, it will stop the numbers on each and every section to where how much it was counted to. So let's say there could be like 2 hours, maybe 4 minutes, 3 seconds, and 20 milliseconds or 5 milliseconds. It doesn't matter. So it just shows what it is. When you press reset, it's all goes back to the variable zero. So it all goes up to zero, and then it starts again the timer. So pretty much, yeah, this is very important when it comes, to with the buttons and the tool. So it just they work accordingly together to kind of give out the desired effect. Right, so the third and the fourth tool that I've used is pretty simple. There's not really a lot of explanation here to do, which is the text tool, which I kind of like had to make it user friendly. So whichever person who uses this timer, it kind of looks like another application that they would use every day. So pretty much, it kind of the text tool kind of shows what's going on with the timer. So what's what, where's the start button, where's the stop button, where's the hours, the minutes, the seconds. So it kind of user friendly basically. And also the fourth tool that I've used was kind of adding the overall aesthetic or like this generic look to the timer. So I added a photo of a watch that I've got of the internet. It looks pretty cool. I like the photo personally, so that's why I put it there. And also I have put it in some colors that I desire, like purple and black, which kind of gives it this nice look. I personally like it. I don't know if people would like it too, but this is how I kind of put it all together. So pretty much these were all the tools that I've used in creating this timer, and I will be putting the code for this timer below the link that will be provided of this audio. So this is all for this part of the assignment, and I will see you all in the next one.